Hello everyone, what's up? How are you? I hope you all are good and are fine at your places and are really enjoying your life. So here I am with another book review, and this time the book that I'll be sharing with you is this one, I Just Want to Remember. So the writer of this novel is Nithin Shivarudraswamy, who is from Karnataka. He's a guy who is an IT employee and he has a great passion for writing books, and that is the main reason that he wrote this one. Also, he's having a great interest in writing different genres, and he's planning to write another book with a different genre. And today in this video, I'll be sharing my views about this novel, his debut novel. So please do watch this video till the end and reward me some good watch time that I would love to get from you. And remember, if you are watching this video for the first time, please make that red subscribe button grey on my request. I Just Want to Remember is a story of Aditya Kashyap, who belongs to a well-educated family. He has an elder brother, Uday Kashyap, who went to London to pursue his studies in MS in cardio, and he returned India after 5 years. His father, Rakesh Kashyap, who is also known as RK, is a very well-known criminal lawyer in the town. Apart from this, there is another main character named Geeta, who is the mother of Uday and Aditya. And of course, wife of Rakesh. ये तो common सी बात है. So other than these, there are few more characters in this story who plays an important part, like Avinash, who is the friend and the teammate of Aditya, and they played together in the badminton championship. Then there comes Rajiv, who is their coach. And then there are few more female friends of Aditya, like Kiran and Disha. And of course, how can we forget Avantika, because she is the main reason for having the romance genre in this book. So Aditya loves to play badminton, but his father didn't like it that much. So as I said before, that his father was a lawyer, so he too wanted his sons to have some reputed jobs that suits the society and their family as well. So due to this communication gap between Aditya and his father, Aditya, who even had a good academic score, he had a thought that his father loved his elder brother more than him. And this was because at least his elder brother was in the medical profession. But Aditya has a good connection with his mother Geeta. Well, people felt awkward when they heard him calling her mother with the name G, despite of calling her mummy or mama or ammi or amma or amma. But on the other side, her mother was too supportive. So of course it is a story of love. But as you can see the couples on the book cover, holding the rackets, so it is easily understood that there will be something related to this game. Well, this game plays an important part in this book as it becomes the reason for Aditya and Avantika's love story. So the book is nice. Good thing is that the story has been divided into chapters, and because of this 400 pages long story becomes easy to read. And if you talk about chapters, then it has 10 chapters, but the 4th chapter has some subsections like 4.1, 4.2, and it has like 10 chapters, 10 sub-chapters. So can you say it has 18 chapters? So coming to the next thing, two places have been shared the most. One is Bangalore and second is Mumbai, where the tournament held and Avantika and Aditya met for the first time. So overall, I have mixed feelings for this book. I mean, I'm not criticizing the book because I know how much patience is needed to get your book out in the bookstore and reach your targeted readers. But there are some facts, some things that we can't deny, like errors. So errors make my reading slow, and I found errors in this book too, especially with the inverted commas. But the thing is that it happens, like even with the great novels. Like last year I was reading Ruskin Bond's novel, and it also had few errors like these. Also the same happened with the Leo Tolstoy's novel that I was reading on my Kindle. So I really don't know whom to blame. I mean, it could be editor's mistake, or it could be the mistake of that person who is proofreading that book for the last time before it finally goes for the printing. So the story is totally filled with Indianness, and this is what even the author has said at the back cover of this book. Taking it from the family drama to the love story, everything is a perfect blend of Indian emotions. Okay, now it's my personal view that I really don't like the use of other languages in an English novel. I mean, using few words or few lines is okay, but if you're using it much, well, I don't prefer that. After halfway through this novel, I found the use of Hindi language but in English words too much in this book. It could be fine with the Indian readers, but if you have marketed your book for the worldwide selling, then at least if you are using any other language, then try to use the translation in the brackets. But as I said, that it is my opinion, it's my view. Well, some people do enjoy stuff like that. So all in the end, what I want to say is that this book is good for the beginners. Those who are the fan of Chetan Bhagat or Durjoy Datta's kind of writing can read this book and enjoy it a lot. So guys, if you want to buy this book, then the link has been shared in the description box for the paperback and even for the ebook. So if you have a Kindle or even using the Kindle app, then you can buy this book as an ebook at a reasonable price. And guys, with this, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and of course if you have an account on Goodreads, then do follow me there too. For those who don't know, I too have another channel with the name Diary, whose link will be available in the end of this video. So guys, do subscribe to that channel too and keep supporting. So I believe that's all for this video, and don't forget to hit the like button and share this video before leaving. So thanks for watching this video till the end. Till the next time we meet, spread love, peace and happiness in this world and see your life becoming more and more prosperous. Thanks for watching.